Hi cuties, welcome to Baby Learners. In this video, we will learn about noun. Look at this. Who is he? He is Ram. How can we identify him? We can identify him by using his name. What is this? This is a banana. How can we identify this? By using its name, we can identify it's a fruit. So everything around us has a name. This name helps us to identify a person, place, thing and animal. What is noun? Noun is a word that refers a name of people, place, animal and thing. Noun is a naming word. All naming word is a noun. For example, so many different peoples around us. Some of them are Mano, doctor, child, teacher. These are examples for people noun. We see so many places around us. Some of them are park, school, hospital, home. These are examples of place noun. We can see so many animals and birds around us. Each and every animals and bird has a name. Cat, dog, lion, parrot, crow. These are the examples for animal noun. We can see so many non-living things around us. Some of them pen, table, door, apple, orange, carrot. These are examples of things. Hi cuties. You would understand the noun.